This platform pays you $10 for just having a simple conversation with your friends or family or spouse. Okay. So what you basically do is this now. You go to the site, well.ai, to appear like this. Now, what you basically need to do is this now. When you come here, after signing up, alright, after signing up, this is site, and this is the first tax, alright, this is tax here. So what this tax is all about is this now. Let's look at the instruction. Said, host a casual 4 to 8 person group conversation in English in a quiet setting with the quality microphone or earbuds, right? So if you have a microphone or earbuds, you can use that. Each speaker is recorded on a separate channel. Sessions are 5 to 60 minutes long. You invite at least 3 friends or colleagues who are fluent in English who handle the rest. Payment is per minute. Per participant, everyone who joins get paid. So they pay each one. So imagine that you have like 3 persons in your family, your wife, and your 2 kids. Come on, you cannot make $10 per hour. And if you decide to talk for like 4 hours, you can check that. Now, the good thing is that you can submit this task in as much as you're talking to different people, okay? You can submit this task up to 20 times, right? Up to 20 times. You can submit, alright? Like you can have different conversations with different people and get paid for them, alright? Now, let's look at how to get started on this task now. Click on start recording. That's when you're ready. Okay, now look at this. This one is for just 2 persons only. Okay? This listen requires recording a conversation between 2 people. You create a session and invite a partner to join. So if you have a partner, maybe your wife or your friend, you can invite the person to join the conversation. So how it works. Create session to start new recording session. Share the invite link with your conversation partner. They will send you, the platform gives you a link, like after clicking this, create session now, they will give you a link and then you send the link to the partner. Okay. But remember this, please take note. You see, I'm in the house now. You should not be together like this. No. The person can be in other rooms, alright? Somewhere that the echo will not disturb so that each of you can speak distinctly, okay, on your own, okay? And, you don't have a all back while you're talking, alright? Now, once both of you join, give consent to record. Have a natural conversation while being recorded. Be natural, alright? Talk freely. You can talk about your family, what you plan to do for vacation, and a lot of things. Yeah, you can even talk, if you like, you can share stories, okay? Yeah, even folk tales. Each person's audio is captured separately for high quality. You understand now? That's why I said, don't be in the same room. Be in separate places, right? Then both participants get paid when the recording is approved. So, but for your recording to be approved, please follow the instruction. Use microphone or earbuds if you have any, okay? You can use the microphone, the one that comes with wire or the one that is wireless. Anyone. In as much as it has quality and it will pick your audio very well, that's good. So once I'm ready now, let's suppose that I have somebody now, like I want to talk to. If I'm not making this video, what I'll just do is to create a session and I'll get a link and then I'll send the link to the person who I want to invite. So first of all, I'll advise you, go to Lawyer.ai and sign up as a contributor, alright? The work we do here is just to help train AI. Last time I did a video on this, although that video, the language was Igbo language, that's in Nigeria, okay, one of the native language in Nigeria, alright? But this one is English, so if you can speak English fluently, alright? Me, I can't see if you can speak fluently, like, you can speak even better than me, you're good to go. Alright guys, so go and you can make $10 to $200 on this, contact me later.